In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can schedule transfers on Wise. So to get started, you want to select Payments, select Schedule Transfers, select Schedule a Transfer, specify the amount that you want to schedule, scroll down, and select a date which you want to schedule the transfer. So I'm going to go with March the 7th. So I want this to repeat every month. So for the repeats, I'm going to select Repeat Monthly, right? And for the end date, I'm going to say Never End and select Continue. Now on this page, you're going to select who you're sending the money to. So you can add a new recipient or select an existing recipient. So I'm going to select Interactive Brokers LLC. Scroll down, review the transaction, and then select Schedule Transfer. Enter your password and select Done. And that's pretty much it.